Hello everyone, in this video let's talk about keyword arguments. So these arguments, we will use these arguments in the function call, not in the function definition. Okay, so here how we are going to use these arguments in the function call means by following this syntax, that is key equal to value syntax. Okay, so while specifying this syntax, the order of the arguments here does not matter. That means suppose in the function definition here I am passing name comma age, but in the function call first initially I have specified the age and next name because I am not following here any order. Okay, when you are following this syntax, key equal to value syntax, the order of the arguments is not important. You can send the arguments in any order as you wish. Okay, because you are following key equal to value syntax. Here keywords are nothing but the variable names. Okay, so in the function definition these variables will act as an inputs to this function, right? So here these variables, these variable names, I am calling it as keys. Okay, so here age is one key and name is another key, two keys here. So under age I have passed some value 20, key equal to value, that is age equal to 20, and here also key equal to value, name equal to John. So these two values I have specified in the function call. Okay, as order of the arguments does not matter, here I have not followed any order. Okay, so suppose if I define this function somewhere else in the program. Okay, so while actually what is the main use of these functions, I can divide large programs into smaller programs by using this function, right? That means I can write several modules, I can use several modules by using these functions, right? So here suppose for example under one module I have written like this. Okay, I have defined this function somewhere else in my program and I am calling from here. Okay, this function is defined somewhere else in the program and I am calling function from here. Okay, but I don't know in which order I have passed the arguments in the function definition, but I know the name of those arguments. Okay, I don't know the order, but I know the name of the arguments. Then just I can pass the values if I know the name of the arguments, name of the variables, by using key equal to value syntax. Okay, so for better understanding, I will explain with some sample program. So go to Python idle, open a file. So see here, I am taking one example program. Person is my function name. Here I am passing name comma age as a variables or as an arguments to that function. So just I am going to print those values. Okay, so name equals to and age value also I am going to print. Okay, so this is my function definition and outside the function I am going to call the function person. Okay, so here normally what we will do under name, here name comma age. So under name I am passing Rama and under age I am passing 20. So if you run this code, so first save the code. If you run this code, see, so the output is name equal to Rama, age equal to 20. Fine. Suppose for example here I have passed like this 20 comma Rama. If I pass like this, if I run the program, see what happens. So under name it took 20 and under age it took Rama. Okay, so under name it took this value and under age it took Rama. So here why we got like this means, So here we have passed arguments like this. So 20 comma Rama, but here in the function definition I have passed first name and next age, but in the function call first I have passed age and next name, but you got the output without displaying any error message, because in Python we don't have any type checking concept in Python. Okay, Python interpreter does not check for data type because it is a interpreted programming language and it is a dynamically typed. That means during runtime the memory allocation will be done. So that's why here it does not display any error message. Suppose for example here, if you consider here, if I am performing some operations on that age value, suppose for example here I am saying print age minus some 2. See now, if I run this program, now you can get an error message like this, because name under age it stores Rama. So Rama minus 2, which is meaningless. So that's why it displays an error, and it displays an error message saying unsupported operand type. Okay, saying unsupported operand type. So to overcome this type of errors, so here in this Python we have a keyword argument concept. Okay, so if you use keyword argument concept, you can use keyword is nothing but these variables, whatever may be the variables which you have defined in the function definition, these variables are nothing but keywords. Okay, so key equal to value syntax I will pass. That means here I can pass like age equal to 20, okay, and name equal to Rama. If you pass like this, whatever may be the order, so here initially name and age I have passed in this order, but here first I have defined age and next name. So the order is not important, but you can just assign the values as key equal to value. In this syntax you can assign the values in the function call, not in the function definition. Okay, so such type of assignment like key equal to value syntax in the function call, that is nothing but a keyword argument function. Okay, so now if you run this program, so see what happens. See here, now if you run the program, so we got name equal to Rama and age is 20 minus 2, that is 18 we got. Okay, so that's why to overcome such type of errors we can use this keyword argument concept in Python in these functions. Okay, so that's about keyword argument functions. Thank you.